next picture coming around. So now that we're back at the courthouse, I'll talk about how this was used as a prison. Let me face this way so the mic's facing everybody. Okay, so after 3rd Winchester and on other occasions, the courthouse here was actually used as a prison at one time, and they would confine actually about 1,000 Confederate prisoners. I have a picture coming around. There was a soldier held here by the name of H.T. Peck, and he described being held here after being captured at the Battle of Shepherdstown. He said, in Winchester we were confined to the courthouse and the enclosure between it and the street. There were already in those precincts some 300 rebels, stragglers, conscripts, and the riffraff of provost guards can pick up a miserable lot who did not fraternize with our men, who were so filthy in clothing and habits that our men remained of choice in the open yard without tents or blankets, even during nights of frost, to avoid contact with those inside the courthouse, in which we were otherwise free to occupy. After 3rd Winchester, again this time not 300 but 1,000 troops were held here. The sketch artist James Taylor, who we're passing around his sketch, he described the scene. He said within the courtyard he called it a mass of prisoners in gray, is how he described what the scene will look like. So we have that one come around, and actually, I don't know if anyone's visited the museum or not, but there is actually a graffiti left inside the courthouse from soldiers that were held prisoner here. There's a piece downstairs, and then also several in the upstairs. That's this picture can keep going around, but we'll head to the market house, which is City Hall, just behind the courthouse here.